Right now, I'm in masculine barber's shop. So, this is the guy. Hey, y'all. Was sagst du, Mann?
Hallo.
Nur hallo?
Wie geht's Ihnen, Leute?
Kannst du dich vorstellen, wie heißt du, Mann?
Hello, Leute.
What? Okay, ja.
Bin Crazy Serdar. Und dieser Mann auch crazy und große crazy. I love you, Leute.
He is the owner of Masculine Barber. Yo. Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, you know what? I'm gonna make an unboxing of this new hair clipper from TPOB. Machete. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, this is it. This is the TPOB Machete. A new one. A very new one. So, looks like this. The front. Got a charging stand. Okay, 150 minutes run time. 7,200 RPM. 6 double magnetic guards. And super torque motor. It's good. In the back side. Okay. Okay, you got a 3 changeable clicking lever, I guess. Okay. Okay, you got a black one, green, and the orange, I guess. Okay. And if you want to buy any of these TPOB clippers or trimmers, you can easily use my discount code, and it will be written here. You will get it cheaper. It's good. So now let's open it. Okay. What we got here? Charging cable. And we got a charging dock. Charging stand. Okay, these are the changeable lever. Okay, it's a clicky lever, as you can see. And you got the oil and the little brush. This is the double magnetic guard. Okay. Clipper. So yeah, any other thing inside? Okay, just the manual. Okay. This is the clipper. It's a clicky lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. Fade blade. Hybrid blade. With a thin cutter blade. Okay. Six watts. Okay, it's not bad. It's really good. Yeah, I got some hair here. I was trying to clean it again because barbers were using it in the barber shop already. So let's try the decibel. $67. So once again, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this hair clipper, and if you wanna buy it more cheaper, then I'm gonna leave also my discount code here, somewhere here, and on the description below.
Joseph, mag je nog slapen? TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
Das alles. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yes.